General relativity had shown that space was weirder than anyone could imagine. Anyone but Einstein, that is. To gain a clearer understanding of this strange universe, astronomers needed more observational data. And that required larger, more powerful telescopes, like the one that led to our next great discovery. When the Herschels had finished their survey of the heavens in the 1830s, they had cataloged thousands of these beautiful but hazy objects, then called white nebulae. At the time, no one knew whether they were part of our galaxy or distant island universes like the Milky Way. In 1924, astronomer Edwin Hubble was studying the stars in several of these nebulae using a 100-inch reflector telescope at the Mount Wilson Observatory in California. The telescope enabled Hubble to estimate that the galaxies were routinely many hundreds of thousands, even millions of light years away. Here were objects as huge and as populated with stars as our very own Milky Way galaxy, which is why we today call white nebulae galaxies. The more Hubble studied these galaxies, the more he became intrigued. At the time, scientists knew that a beam of light from a star appears as a different color on the spectrum. The color changed according to the motion of the star. A shift toward the blue end of the spectrum meant the star was moving closer to Earth. A red shift meant it was moving away. The amount of the color shift also revealed the speed of that movement. Hubble found that when he measured the distance of a galaxy, its spectrum almost always was shifting to the red. And something else. The farther the distance, the greater the red shift. In other words, the universe was expanding. It was an astonishing discovery with profound implications. Measuring backwards from the expansion, scientists found that the universe appeared to have a cataclysmic beginning, what one astronomer labeled the Big Bang.